Hey guys, let's understand this problem. Here this problem is based on volume of a sphere. This problem says the largest sphere is carved out of a cube of size 10.5 centimeter. You need to find out the volume of the sphere. As you can see here, this is a cube, not a cuboid. In a cube, all the lengths are same. Length, breadth and height are of equal length. But in a cuboid, all are of different length, or maybe two are of same length but third one is of different length. Now let's calculate the volume of the sphere from this given cube. Volume of the cube will be, volume of cube is nothing but length into breadth into height, but when all the lengths are same, this will become a cube. And the length of this side is 10.5, so this will be 10.5 cube. But here in this problem you need not to calculate this. Why? Because here this largest sphere is carved out, not recasted from this cube. Carved out means there is this cube. This sphere is inside this cube and the volume of this sphere will be largest only when the diameter of this will be equal to the length of the side of this cube, which will be 10.5. So here diameter should be equal to 10.5, which means radius should be equal to 10.5 by 2, which will be 5.25. So when radius will be this much, volume of this sphere is going to be maximum. Now let's calculate the volume of sphere, which will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, value of pi is 22 by 7. You know the radius, which is 5.25 by whole cube. 5.25 whole cube. Now when you'll evaluate this expression, what you'll get? You'll get 606.37 centimeter cube. This is going to be the volume, maximum volume of this sphere which has been carved out of this cube. I really hope there should be no doubt. I'll be taking more problems in the coming video lecture. Thank you.